The drone's admin user has a responsibility to approve or deny flight and project requests and determine when the flight is considered complete. As a drone's admin user, you'll receive an email when a flight or project request has been submitted. By selecting Manage Flights, the admin user will be presented with a list of flight requests and the status of those flights. To approve a flight that is pending review, search for the flight request. Search by nickname, pilot, contact, or creator's name. Once the flight request has been reviewed, the request can be given a risk score and either approved or denied. The same process applies when approving a project, but the admin user will select Manage Project and follow the previous steps. The user will be notified via email if the flight or project request has been approved or denied. They can also log into the system to see the status of their request. Once a flight request has been approved, the flight has been completed, and a report has been submitted, the status of the request will change to Report Submitted. It is the responsibility of the drone's admin user to review the report. The admin user can review, edit, and report as necessary. Once a report has been reviewed, the process is considered complete. Drone's admin users can also register a flight or a project on behalf of someone else. Please refer to our other tutorial videos for further instructions.